My partner and I were home alone at his parents' place. To give an insight of how the house is set up in history, there is two bedrooms, either side of a lounge room or sitting area. One is my partner's sister's room, and one is his. We usually slept with the door closed because we had heard strange noises before, and it creeped us out. When I was staying over watching TV in the lounge with my BF, we heard a knock on his sister's room. We of course shook it off and thought it was just something falling or whatnot, but it happened again. We walked over to the door and made the stupid decision to knock back. Then a loud bang sounded on the other side to the point we felt it shake. Opening the door quickly, all we could see is a creepy doll sitting on her shelf staring at us. We ran out to the other side of the house and just decided to stay there for a while. This wasn't the only time that we experienced this either after that day. When in the bathroom, both of us saw shadows glide past like a shadowy figure once or twice, and also random knocking, but much lighter. Has anyone else had a paranormal activity experience like this? Honestly, didn't believe in ghosts and stuff before, but now I kind of think otherwise. After a month, nothing else happened.